Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9580. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. It's marked by the publisher. The 4 stars marked by the publisher. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to use. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual box? I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Here we have a quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes. Surround 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 should be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, here another quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. Oh, I left a dual box here. The 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, we have only 1 of this kind of shape. How about the next shape, the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Yeah, these 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Then these two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Yeah, let me think. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 1 and 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2 and 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area is supposed to be there. Mark those 2 boxes will be 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes will be the 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. Corner box. Yeah. Well, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I need a 3 here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 4 should be there, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also 4, but we already have a 4 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 4 there, and the 4 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area, for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is connected with that box, should be so 2 and the 3, not the 1. Eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So we had 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, okay. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so we saw 4 and 5, but we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box will be a 5. Is connected with that box, so we saw 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, overlooked. 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 2. 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 3. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 2? Can it be a 1? It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. So really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.